I was blessed to be able to have an opportunity to lead these guys here, and we're looking forward to trying to win a back-to-back championship. But I'm excited to be here, and I'm happy to be in the situation that we are. I just humble them a lot, man. But those are great guys. So they're great guys on and off the court. So it wasn't, like I said, it wasn't difficult. They want to win. They're winners, and so getting them to understand what their talents can be used and what they got to sacrifice on the court was pretty simple because they're winners. So I'm happy to be able to coach them. You can't get to game 2 unless you win game 1, and so our focus is to go in day one and give our all on the road and hopefully make sure we find a way to get a win on the road and bring it back and hope to celebrate in Jakarta.
We've been making history all season, so we're still looking forward to making more history. Playing our game, just focusing on us. We know they're a good team, but we know if we handle our business and do what we can do, then anything can happen.
The job is not done yet. We have the toughest battle coming up. We cannot be satisfied. We know what we are up against, a very difficult situation, and it should be. It's the final, so we're thinking about what's coming forward.
Win the day lah, sesuai tagline kita gitu ya. Kalau coach pengennya itu kita menangkan hari setiap harinya gitu ya. Jadi tim yang lebih baik, jadi individu yang lebih baik tiap hari gitu. Kita punya goal di sini, tapi kita nggak fokus ke goalnya, fokusnya ke prosesnya gitu. Itu sih.
I know it wasn't going to be an easy task, I didn't feel like there was pressure or anything, tapi to be able to be that additional piece where the organization believes that I can help and bantu si Caleb and Hardy and all the other veterans, it feels good that kita hasilnya shows that improve lah. Kita udah masuk final, tapi kerja keras kita belum selesai. Kita masih ada 2, maybe 3 games to, make another history for this club.
Ya bebannya berarti di mereka kan ya, bebannya di mereka. Gua confidence aja, kita hajar aja. Pokoknya yang gua tekanin sih ke mereka semua, pertama kita harus percaya diri dulu gitu. Percaya kalau kita bisa gitu.
So it's like we don't need to be scared of nobody, They breathe the same air that we breathe. They're just people too like us, so we ready to fight.
Does your shirt bring a different energy?
Huh?
Is that shirt bring a different energy?
This is just to remind people, I win games.
Selamat malam IBL fans. Malam yang kita nanti-nanti akhirnya telah tiba. Sebuah final baru telah tercipta, pertarungan yang belum pernah terjadi sebelumnya. Inilah panggung di mana ambisi diuji dan sejarah dipertaruhkan. 2 tim terbaik musim ini, 2 era tim berbeda, kini berdiri di satu panggung final untuk memperebutkan tahta tertinggi.
Dewa United, sang tuan rumah, akhirnya berhasil menembus ke final IBL pertama kalinya setelah selalu terhenti di semifinal.
Doakan semua. Doakan.
Ready to go, ready to rock, I'm locked in.
Di sisi lain, sang juara bertahan akhirnya menembus dan kembali melangkah ke partai final Pelita Jaya. Namun satu catatan yang juga masih menghantui, Pelita Jaya belum pernah berhasil untuk mempertahankan gelarnya. Apakah menjawab tekanan di panggung terbesar ini dapat dilakukan oleh kedua tim ini?
Always. Big game 1, man. Come on here, handle business. Finish it up at the crib. Let's go.
Be aware of the shooters that they have. I feel like they have a lot of talented shooters on the team.
Orang Papua pertama yang akan mengangkat trofi. Jinx lagi kan?
Ya mentality final gitu ya. Jadi ini last game kita, last 2 games kita. Jadi hidup dan mati, win atau enggak menang, itu aja mentality.
Kita ngomongin seorang Andakara Prastawa, kita ngomong selalu pengalaman dari Pelita Jaya, pemain-pemainnya yang sudah langganan ke final. Andakara Prastawa, what does he bring to the finals?
Kita tahu seorang Andakara Prastawa ini selama regular season hampir tidak bermain sama sekali ya. Saya hanya bermain 3 game di last 3 matches of Pelita Jaya. Tapi itu merupakan road yang harus diambil untuk Andakara Prastawa bisa sampai pada titik ini. Dan menurut saya di beberapa tembakan-tembakan dari Andakara Prastawa itu sangat menentukan Pelita Jaya sampai bisa lolos ke babak final ini. Caleb, kita tahu Mr. Efficiency sangat-sangat berbahaya dari luar garis 3 point, dari dalam garis 3 point.
Get ready, IBL fans. The final chapter will begin here at tip-off from Dewa United Arena. Tip-off is underway here at Dewa United Arena dan kita sudah mulai game pertama. Comes up high, screen and roll. Adams now puts it on the deck.
Baik sekali.
Beautiful footwork by Jordan Adams with the turnaround jumper. Agassi yang sempat membuat sebuah statement untuk dia di pertandingan ini. Jordan Adams again, back-to-back baskets for Jordan Adams. Kick out, Caleb Ramon for 3. 3-point shot, splash. KJ lets Lester fly by and lets the shot fly and hits it from outside. Untuk Pelita Jaya, terbuka. Oh, nice patient move by Jacory. Pelita Jaya tanpa ragu-ragu. Again from outside. And ini adalah first quarter yang diharapkan oleh Dewa United as Prosper lets another shot fly. 2 for 3 for Lester Prosper as he has 5 points. Here in the bola kembali lagi ke Pelita Jaya. Can they capitalize? Beat on the move. What a layup by Anthony Bean Jr. who hits it and gets the foul. Here's Bean again. Left-handed layup this time. Last time going right, this time going left. J-Rock, hesitation, finds Vincent.
Wow,
what a pass.
What a pass. Caleb, what a way to score the ball. Kita lihat dan akhirnya.
By Beasley. Agassi, floater. Wow. And a corner shot by Leo Beasley. As well. KJ! Wow. What a post-up turnaround and a two-handed slam. Powerful move by the MVP. Flip, high screen from KJ. Pick and roll action. Wow. KJ McDaniels with the finish on the alley-oop. What a beautiful pick and roll from J-Rock and KJ. A tough loss. Ya, dengan beberapa pemain, dengan foul trouble, 2 pemain foul out juga.
Ini sebuah, ya seperti tadi Paul bilang, ini sebuah statement win dan betul-betul luar biasa. Dan Pelita Jaya melakukan permainan yang luar biasa.
One more. Job ain't done yet. Finish the job at home. One more. 1, 2, 3, family.
Yes, I think I agree. PJ played better than us. They deserve to win. We need to play better for 40 minutes. We will make some adjustments, but most important thing is we play good basketball throughout the whole game and not for some stretches only. I have a lot of confidence on them because they proved me time and again they are ready to respond. They responded throughout the season when we didn't start strong. They responded in the playoffs with when we were in situation with back against the wall. So we need to be confident about what we've been doing and try to execute our basketball.
You know, probably I just want these guys to play basketball, no pressure. Leave the pressure and kalau di Indonesia bebannya buat yang senior-seniornya, yang muda-muda ya focus on just playing basketball, apa yang pelatih maunya, and don't worry about the noise from outside, and just focus on basketball aja.
Ya, yang pasti seneng banget lah bisa maksudnya bisa ngebantu ya, bisa ngekontribusi buat PJ. Tapi kan memang jobnya juga belum selesai, jadi kita mesti perform yang lebih baik lagi dari game sebelumnya untuk hari Sabtu besok.
Kita pasti udah expect lah ya, nggak mungkin mereka mau nyerah gitu aja kan. Jadi yang pasti Coach Jeti juga bilang nggak boleh kalah dalam hal effort gitu ya. Kalau mereka mau effort lebih tinggi lagi, nah kita bakal effort lebih lagi karena bukan mereka aja kan yang nggak mau kalah, kita juga mau ambil back to back champion. Kalau effort kita kalah, itu berarti kan nggak merefleksikan apa tujuan kita. Jadi kalau effort dia lebih tinggi game besok, ya kita bakal lebih tinggi lagi gitu. Banyak lah rasa yang pengen dikeluarin gitu kalau misalkan udah back to back, karena aku pengennya PJ dominasi di IBL. Dominasi, benar-benar dominasi, juara.
Selamat malam WhatsApp IBL fans, I'm Mutiara Sastro and Valerie Josephine, your courtside reporters for tonight. Di laga pembuka, Dewa United hanya bisa mendominasi di satu kuarter sebelum akhirnya Pelita Jaya mengukuhkan kemenangan dengan margin 17 poin. Sekarang mereka kembali ke Gor Sumantri, ke rumah Pelita Jaya Jakarta. Hanya butuh satu kemenangan lagi saja untuk mendapatkan title back-to-back champions pertama kalinya untuk Pelita Jaya Jakarta.
Ready banget, ready. Kita angkat trofi ya.
Absolutely. Close it out tonight, man. Let's get it.
Namun begitu Dewa United belum kunjung menyerah, IBL fans, ini bisa menjadi momentum mereka untuk bangkit dan memaksakan ke laga penentu untuk membuka jalan menuju gelar juara pertama mereka.
This game too, you know what I mean? We have our back against the wall, and we've been in this position before, so we got to come out and really execute.
Di pikiran kita mau back to back, itu udah pasti. Jadi semua effortnya harus leave it on the floor. Pokoknya bermain dengan intensitas yang lebih baik lagi, lebih tinggi lagi. Ya pasti juga enjoy the game lebih dari game sebelumnya. Dan ya confidence aja. Confident tapi nggak sombong ya. Nggak boleh overconfidence gitu.
Dan pastinya yang kita harapkan ada perubahan intensitas dari pemain-pemain Dewa United pastinya.
Ya, yang pasti kalau menghadapi eliminasi kita sering membahas sense of urgency. As we get ready for tip-off here tonight at Gor Sumantri. Welcome once again, IBL fans. And we are underway here in South Jakarta. High, dijaga oleh Agassi. Finding some space. Here's Josh Ibarra. Knocks down a free throw line jumper. A good shot. Wow. Get another offensive rebound by Josh Ibarra. Here's the inbound. Quick move by Jordan Adams on the baseline. Outside, Prosper will let one fly, knocks it down. And there it is. Here's Bean. Baseline jumper is good. And finally stops the run. Loftus will set it up again. J-Rock drives, crossover, gives it up. KJ, nice move down low and gets it to go.
Perbedaan start ya dari kedua tim dari game pertama dan game kedua dan kali ini.
Again, speaking about boards malam ini, Arki Wisnu will fire.
Wow!
10-time
Arki di Kania Wisnu.
10-time final appearances.
Witty, untung kita lihat miskomunikasi defense.
J-Rock will let one fly. Knocks in a three-point shot for Corey McLaughlin. Arki Wisnu, J-Rock turnaround jumper. Wow. It just rolls off the front rim. And Ja'Cory McLaughlin. KJ McDaniels, pump fake. Look out, KJ to the basket. And that's the KJ McDaniels yang kita Agassi, pump fake, drive, floater. And Pippen from Jeff Whitney. Hey, look out, Pelita Jaya coming to life.
The defending champions, #1 seed in the league. They have great players. They have a lot of experience, so it's not easy to follow them off all the game. We struggled on offensive end. We didn't take good shots. We allowed them to come back, but we weren't able to finish the job.
Adams down low. Here we go, Ibarra. Trying to close the door. Lester Prosper!
Lester Prosper! Wow!
A big smile. Dengan waktu 2 menit tersisa, Anthony Bean will drive left-handed layup. What a layup by Anthony Bean. The lead is back to 7. Turnaround jumper, no good. Rebound, Bean, look out. Bean will fire. No, he will pass inside. Ja'Cory, three-point play. The timeout for either team. Bean, inbound. He'll cross court. Andakara Prastawa for 3. And that will do it. We are going to Game 3, ladies and gentlemen, IBL fans.
We want to make history as a team for Dewa United, and I think we just got to be more consistent for Game 3 with that same energy, or maybe even more energy. But you know, we're gonna go. We definitely made some mistakes throughout this game, and I think we're gonna review and make sure we don't make the same mistakes for tomorrow.
Bab terakhir yang menceritakan perjalanan musim 2025 IBL GoPay akan berakhir malam ini. Ini yang kita inginkan dan ini yang akan terjadi malam ini. Game ketiga, the equalizing final game of this series, di mana Pelita Jaya took control in Game 1 on the road, tapi dibalas as Dewa United stayed alive last night with a very convincing win, and now it will be winner takes all.
This is a one last chance, Valerie. Take it or leave it for both teams. Karena kita juga akan menyaksikan kesempatan terakhir bagi kedua tim. Game ketiga untuk masing-masing tim. Ini juga akan menjadi sejarah antara kedua tim. Either it's a back-to-back championship titles atau akan jadi title pertama untuk franchise itu untuk Dewa United.
Sayang, semangat ya. Aku tahu kamu capek. Tapi aku tahu juga kamu pasti bisa juara karena mata sipitmu membawa keberuntungan.
Ada matchup yang menarik antara Jordan Adams dan KJ McDaniels, masing-masing yang punya sejarah di National Basketball Association juga. Sedikit overshadowed dari performance-nya Anthony Bean tadi, tapi tidak bisa dipandang sebelah mata ya. Betul. Dia membantu close out game pertama. Here's his percentages juga. Kita tahu dia salah satu top 5 point scorer di musim ini juga. Dan semalam doing his job. It is loud in here di Gor Putri. Luar biasa. Atmosfernya ya. Unbelievable. Selamat datang sekali lagi untuk semua IBL fans. Enjoy the game, the final game of the 2025. The finals and the final chapter is set to be written. Tip-off is underway and action begins. Finals MVP, and here's our local MVP for the season, Agassi Goantara.
Finals MVP ya.
Oh, a block by Ibarra. Gets it to Caleb Ramon. He's got Adams. Goes, lays up, and it's good.
And still no timeout.
Dijaga ketat oleh Bean, gets around the screen, bounce pass, touch pass outside, Lester Prosper. That's a beautiful, still with the hot hand.
Permainan-permainan yang baik sekali.
Alright, kita lihat skema dari Coach Jason Tatum as KJ McDaniels takes it right at Josh Kibara. Into the game untuk Pelita Jaya.
Oh, step back.
Oh, nice shot by Bean. What a shot. Set it up dengan Witty on the curl.
Oh, the pass.
Nice pass. Good pick and roll action antara J-Rock dan Jeff Witty. 2-point lead kembali lagi untuk Dewa. Vincent inside. Oh, wow. What a turnaround hook. A rebound oleh Jordan Adams and what a crafty move. What a move. Melewati lawannya. Smart move by Adams and here's J-Rock. Wow. Hey, J-Rock is feeling it a bit. Nice rebound by J-Rock. Wow. He pushes the tempo. Quick pass, Anthony Bean. Takes the contact and gets the bucket. It is a 2-point lead for Pelita Jaya. 36-34.
IBL tahun ini seru banget, atmosfernya gila banget. Everyone's so excited, everyone's nervous. I am nervous. Makin tahun ke tahun semakin seru dan semoga pokoknya IBL makin seru juga. Karena udah gak terlalu segmented lagi ya, orang-orang udah banyak yang nonton, udah mulai main basket juga banyak. Beda sama zaman dulu aku SMA. But yeah, I'm really glad it's getting all together and I hope it's more successful again in the future.
Well, this is the second time that I see this, but the level is very good and the people are very enthusiastic. Yeah, it's very fantastic. The same as yesterday, but now it is the final game, so people are very excited. Who do I think? Well, like I said, they're both the same levels, but of course one can win. I think at the end, they will win. You never know.
Guarded by Adams. Oh, a hard screen by Witty. Drives to the basket and Witty with a strong finish over Ibarra. Comes KJ. Oh, they got numbers. KJ to Witty. Oh my goodness. The two-handed jam by Jeff Witty. Bean Jr. Switch defense. Jabale Ibarra goes baseline. Turnaround looking. Passing. Agassi Guantara for three. Off the mark. Vincent. What a putback. Here's Jordan Adams again. Oh my goodness. Everything going down for Jordan Adams.
There you go. Go after that, Mark.
By Pras, finds Lester Prosper. Prosper looking, finding Adams inside. Adams down low, and basket. Jordan Adams takes the lead. Big bucket by Jordan Adams. 40 points.
nggak jadi miss. Karena sisa 2 detik.
Let's find out.
Pelita Jaya masih memiliki.
Yeah. Oh, they're gonna miss intentionally. And Whitney, here we go. Anthony Bean will fire. And it is over. Dewa United has now taken over the IBL with a new era and ended the defending champion run here in the finals of IBL Goping 2025. Congratulations to the new IBL champions, Dewa United Boston.
Yes, sir. You know you boys. Three for three. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you. We did it. Good job, Dewa. Thanks to the fans. Everybody for the support. Everybody counted us out, but we stayed in it. We got the heart. We never give up. We was down 0-1. We fought back quarter by quarter. All glory to God. All glory to God. Anything is possible. You gotta trust the process. That's finished. Because of the players, man. They are the responsible ones. We won because of them. All the credit to them. They are champions.